Here you go, my outfit for the day. It's quite rainy and cold outside. Change of plan, guys. Since today's very gloomy, I wanted to put on a bright color of dress. Hi! आज चाहिँ for a change, मेरो मम्मी र मेरो बुढासँग हामी जाँदैछौँ. म निकिता गुरुङ, and if you're new to my channel, अनि आज weather पनि rainy छ. अनि first हामी चाहिँ मेरो आन्टीको ब्युटी पार्लरमा जान आँटेको to get my nails done and eyebrows and upper lips. And त्यसपछि चाहिँ maybe go buy some outfit for tomorrow. That's about today, and I hope you guys will watch until the end. हामी Ridgewood पुग्यो अनि मेरो आन्टीको ब्युटी पार्लरमा भने जस्तै यो मेरो आन्टीको ब्युटी पार्लर हो. हामी जाँदैछौँ भित्र to get some service. Please. यो बाथटबको लागि त यो बुढा त्यो होइन, त्यसमा बाथटब लेखेछ. Our food is getting ready. खानालाई वेट गरिरहेछ. अब यहाँबाट खाएर हामी नानाहाटन जाने सपिङको लागि. यो चाहिँ एउटा रेस्टुरेन्ट रहेछ रिजवुडमा. इट्स शोगुन. अनि यहाँ चाहिँ योगर्टहरू अनि त्यसको साथसाथै जापानिज सुशीहरू पाउने रहेछ. हामीले खाना अर्डर गरिसक्यो. एउटा पोकी बल र लन्च स्पेसलमा 2टा रोल्स. लेट्स सी कस्तो आउँछ. This is poke bowl, 2 special rolls, and we are here eating, ready to dig in. Fifth Avenue shopping. Trying on some clothes. He's choosing some clothes for himself. Okay. Men's section. Empire State Building. It's raining and we're under the umbrella. And the New York Public Library. And they're having a photo shoot, which is lovely. And we are still in the rain in our umbrella. Some more clothes at Zara. I really like this outfit, but I don't know. Just bought a t-shirt from Zara for tomorrow, and while my husband has gone to bathroom at Bryant Park, I'm here taking pictures and videos. I'm at the Nike showroom here at 5th Avenue. I'll show you around. It's an amazing showroom. This is going to be my future shoe rack. Back home with Mito Kana. Mito Kana. घर आयो अनि आजको लागि यति नै. See you guys tomorrow.